everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. It's crispy Chana vadai. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Advait. Hello everyone. Let's see what ingredients we need. Take 1 cup of chana dal. Soak it overnight. Also, take 2 green chili, 4 red chili, hing powder, 1 inch of ginger and some curry leaves. These ingredients will get you around 20 vadai. Let's grind the batter. Add green chili, red chili and ginger. Then add soaked chana on top of it. Also, add hing powder and salt as required. Grind these to a coarse paste form as shown. Add curry leaves and mix well. Let's roll the batter as shown into balls as medium-sized lemon. Preparing these dough balls upfront will help to maintain uniform shape for all vadai. Preheat oil. Once it's hot, start adding the rolled batter after tapping it as shown. Fry the vadai in medium flame. It's ready. Advait, you can taste it now.
It's tasty and crispy. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.